Do you want slow mornings? Never rush anywhere. Be there for your kids. Go to the beach whenever you want. Buy whatever you want. Travel whenever you want. And never worried about if you have enough money at your bank account. All of that is possible for anyone out there. If you guys don't know me, my name is Andrea Jueong. English is my second language. And if I can do this amazing opportunity, so can you. It's June. We are entering new month. So new opportunities. The door just opened for you again. And how many times they're going to have to keep opening before you say yes? Ask yourself, how much money did you spend last few days just on random things? Does any of these things making you passive income so you can actually enjoy your life and do things you love? Most of you know I started digital marketing just 6 months ago, and in short 6 months I was able to pay my car off. We are leaving to Europe for 5 weeks vacation, 3 different destinations. Next week I pay my college, I pay all my debt, and now I'm saving up money for a new house. You guys, you just have to decide that you're gonna start online business. If you want any kind of business out there, you have to invest something to start any business. And any business out there, you start from zero. This business can literally escalate to thousands of dollars very quickly. We have the 7-day plan, 7 day to profit. If you follow that, you can be in profit mode very quickly within the first week, and whatever you make after that is 100% yours. Imagine you would make just 1/4 of whatever I just posted on the previous post. How would that change your life? Those are money you would never have if you wouldn't start it. So think about it, because we are spending money on random things every single day and they never make us any money back. So one-time investment, only one-time investment could change your life. And we have the easiest program to follow with daily mentorship, and this is why we have such a high success rate, because if you purchase any course out there, you're not gonna get daily mentorship. But when you're purchasing a program, it's like you go to college and you have a college professor. This is why over 20,000 people are succeeding with this amazing digital grow community. So DM me if you have any questions. I would love to guide you, show you, teach you. Let's start. You guys, this story inside our community is so inspiring. So I'm going to click on it and you guys read it. Goal unlock 10K in 30 days and become a self-made millionaire here in Philippines. This story is everything. In Philippines, $10,000 in 1 month is a lot of money. You guys, his story, it's literally heartbreaking. And this is happening inside our community. So many other people are making a lot of money following this program. So you can be next. Look at this. Month of May, 7,000. Another 2 sales in 24 hours. 900 ding today. Ding, it's my first sale. I finally got my first sale. 10,400 in May. My first 600 sale. It's just, you gotta get out of your comfort zone and get started.